How to defeat the coronavirus. Here is what we have learned so far from the success other countries are having in the fight against the coronavirus. 3 factors matter the most: social distancing, testing, passage of time. Since the virus travels efficiently from person to person, our best defense is under our control. Social distancing not only keeps you from getting sick, but also prevents you from infecting others. Social distancing represents one of our biggest challenges because it puts a stop to our working economy, which is unsustainable, and yet we have no other choice. If you don't practice social distancing, we jeopardize our own lives and the lives of our loved ones. Testing responsibilities lies with the local and federal governments. Since the coronavirus is highly infectious, testing has become extremely challenging because there are not enough tests for everyone. Over time, we will succeed with 2 potential outcomes: the loss of too many precious lives, or a significant reduction in lost lives by practicing social distancing. We must practice social distancing by staying at least 6 feet away from others. Frequently wash your hands with soap and water. Avoid touching your nose, mouth, and eyes. Stay at home unless providing essential services to society. Use an indoor humidifier to limit the virus from spreading in aerosol form and remaining airborne. Regularly clean surfaces that are frequently touched. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Most people who develop symptoms describe them as fever, dry cough, aches and pains, and loss of smell and taste. If you believe you might be infected with the coronavirus, please call your primary care provider, family doctor, or your local emergency room for further advice. Thanks for watching.